Like all 2019 Rogue models, the S is available in all-wheel drive. Rogue S is available in 5 exterior colors. The S has unique wheel covers. Its headlights make a stylish statement. At night, they can automatically turn on for you. They can also dim the brights for oncoming cars. All the essential comfort features are standard on Rogue S. The interior comes in charcoal cloth and keeps you cozy with standard air conditioning. Standard convenience features let you load up and move in a snap. The cargo area flexes to make the most of your space, letting you create configurations like a shelf or a box. And cruise control helps keep you up to speed. Rogue S features a 7-inch touchscreen that integrates with your compatible smartphone and keeps your music pumping while connecting with the latest tech. Every Rogue comes standard with confidence-inspiring driver assistance features. You will appreciate tech that can brake automatically to help avoid a frontal collision. When you're backing up, you'll be able to see directly behind you. You can even get a heads up when a car is detected crossing behind you. When there's a car detected hiding in your blind spot area, Rogue can warn you, and you can get help staying centered in your lane. And with a special edition package, you can add style, comfort, and more.